Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the square icon in order to open the recents. And as you can see here, we've got previously opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, simply tap on this X button on it. As you can see, it disappears and it means that you just close it. If you want to close all of the apps, simply click on Clear All. As you can see, we got back to our home screen, so let's tap on the square icon again. And as you can see, here we've got no recently opened apps, so we've just closed all of them successfully. So that's all. This is how to close running apps in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.